For compatible sizes, exact fit depends on engine and trim, so it is always necessary to confirm with the owner's manual, the battery fitment tool at the parts seller, or the vehicle's underhood sticker. For model years 2008-2012 covering older L4 and V6 variants, group sizes such as 24F, 35, 47 and 90, including T596R variants, are common, and cold cranking amps usually fall around 600-750 with reserve capacity between 80 and 120 minutes. For 2013-2016, Group 47, 48, 78 and 90 appear, with some models requiring 48H6 or T596R, and cold cranking amps often in the 550-760 range. In fact, some 2016 limited models use Group 94R H7 AGM batteries. From 2017 through 2025, the most common are Group 48 H6 and 47 H5. And in higher trims with start-stop systems, AGM Group 94R H7 is required, with higher CCA and reserve capacity being standard. The best way to confirm quickly is to check your owner's manual, the sticker under the hood, or enter the VN at AutoZone, Interstate or Advance, as parts retailers list compatible batteries by year and engine. Battery types for Malibu owners can be explained in plain English. The first type is the conventional flooded lead-acid battery, which is a standard low-cost design with liquid electrolyte. Its advantages are the lowest upfront price per amp-hour and wide availability, making it good if the bucket is tight, and your Malibu has standard electrical demands. Its disadvantages are heavier weight, the possibility of venting gas which requires proper mounting and ventilation, lower cycle life than AGM or EFB, and the need for occasional testing in harsh climates. The second type is AGM, or absorbed glass mat, which is a sealed lead-acid battery where the electrolyte is absorbed in glass mats. The advantages include higher CCA for the same size, more vibration resistance, better performance for cars with higher accessory loads or start-stop systems, lower self-discharge, and maintenance-free operation. Many higher trim Malibus or those with more electronics require AGM, and consumer reports and other experts rate AGMs highly for reliability. The disadvantage is cost, as they run 30–100% more than a conventional flooded battery and sometimes require a compatible charging profile. The third type is EFB, or enhanced flooded battery, which is an improved flooded design with additives and stronger plates, sitting between flooded and AGM. Its advantages are better cycle life than standard flooded batteries and lower cost than AGM, making it suitable for mild start-stop systems. Its disadvantages are that it is not as durable as AGM under repeated deep discharge, and some require specific test algorithms. For Malibu owners, the rule of thumb is that if your manual or dealer specifies AGM, which is the case for some 2016 and newer Malibus, you must use AGM. If not specified, a good flooded battery that matches the group size and CCA is sufficient. But if you drive mainly short trips, in stop-start traffic, or with high accessory use such as audio systems and heated seats, then AGM or EFB should be considered. In terms of actual recommendations, there are 3 tiers to think about. The best overall option is typically an ACDelco Gold or a Duralast Platinum battery, especially in AGM form where applicable. These strike the right balance of OEM quality fit, strong CCA and reserve capacity, good reliability, and are backed by national warranties with the added benefit of installation at auto parts stores, making them great for average drivers who want low fuss. The best budget option is a Total Pro EverStart or other value brand conventional flooded battery sold as a store brand, which offers the lowest upfront cost and is good if the budget is tight and your driving is moderate. Expect a shorter warranty and lifespan of about 2 to 3 years, but it works for a temporary fix or for a secondary car. The best premium or long-lasting option is an Optima, Odyssey, or top-tier AGM, such as a Duralast Platinum Elite or Interstate Platinum. These provide superior cycle life, very high CCA and reserve capacity, and excellent performance in extreme climates and with heavy accessory use. They are ideal if you plan to keep your Malibu for many years or do frequent short trips, but expect to pay more upfront in exchange for longer service life and longer pro-rata warranties. Cost and warranty are other key considerations. Typical price ranges for parts alone are about $99 to $150 for a budget flooded battery, $150 to $250 for a mid-range option, such as a good flooded or entry AGM, and $250 to $400 or more for a premium AGM or specialty battery. Popular Malibu group sizes like 48, 47, 24F, 35 and 90 usually fall in the mid-range. For installation, many auto parts stores provide free installation with purchase, such as AutoZone, O'Reilly and Advance, though you should always check with your local store first. An independent shop or mobile mechanic will typically charge $30 to $100 for labor, depending on location and complexity. The dealership will usually be the most expensive option for both parts and labor, though sometimes necessary for specific warranty or OEM requirements. Warranty terms matter greatly. The free replacement period means that if the battery fails within that time, usually 1 to 3 years for budget batteries and 3 to 5 years for higher tier ones, you get a full replacement at no cost. After that, a prorated period may apply, offering a partial refund based on remaining life, often up to 5 years on premium models. Always check how much of the warranty is free replacement versus prorated, whether installation labor is covered, and whether the warranty is honored nationwide. It is essential to get this in writing and keep your receipt. When it comes to buying and installing, you have several choices. Local auto parts chains such as AutoZone, Advance and O'Reilly provide quick service, VIN-based parts matching, and often free installation, though pricing can vary, so it pays to compare. Big box retailers such as Walmart and Costco often offer the best prices on mainstream batteries, with Costco particularly well rated for value and warranties, though they may not stock premium AGM or unusual group sizes. Dealerships always provide the correct OEM part and full dealer service history, and are sometimes required to preserve certain warranties, but they charge the highest prices. Online retailers such as Amazon, Rock Auto, and Interstate's own site provide wide selection and good pricing. Independent mechanics and local shops offer personalized service and can test your charging system while installing, though labor costs vary. For installation, be aware that if the battery is under an ECU module or in a tight tray, professional installation is advisable. When installing yourself, always disconnect the ground first, negative cable, keep tools away from terminals, and avoid wearing metal jewelry. Battery maintenance and longevity tips are straightforward but important. Have the battery tested yearly once it reaches 3 years of age, using either a parts store's free test or a mechanic's load test, especially before winter or summer extremes. Avoid too many short trips, because these do not allow the alternator to recharge the battery and cause sulfation fully. In such cases, an AGM or periodic charging may help. Keep the terminals clean, as corrosion increases resistance, and protect them with dielectric grease or spray. Ensure the battery is securely mounted, because vibration reduces lifespan. Always turn off heavy electrical loads when the car is parked. If the car will sit for weeks, use a smart maintainer charger, especially for flooded batteries, though AGMs require this less often. Whenever you replace the battery, test the charging system, including the alternator and parasitic draw, because a weak alternator or hidden drain can kill even a new battery. Many shops perform this test at little or no additional cost. Some quick frequently asked questions help clarify. You may be able to swap a flooded battery for an AGM in your Malibu, but only if the charging system and physical space allow, and if your manual specifies AGM, you must follow it. AGMs are usually physically compatible, but they cost more and sometimes require specific charging profiles. Battery size standards such as BCI group numbers are the same in the US and Canada. Typical Malibu battery life is about 3 to 6 years, depending on climate, driving habits and battery type.